Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of about 36 million miles. Its surface is heavily cratered, resembling Earth's moon, due to impacts from asteroids and comets over billions of years. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury experiences extreme temperature variations, with daytime temperatures reaching up to 427 degrees Celsius and nighttime temperatures dropping to around minus 180 degrees Celsius. It has no significant atmosphere, which means there is no weather to speak of, and its thin exosphere consists mainly of hydrogen, helium, oxygen, sodium, calcium, and potassium. Mercury's lack of a substantial atmosphere allows the solar wind to strip away its surface materials, contributing to its barren and desolate landscape. Venus. Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size, composition, and proximity to Earth. However, Venus has a drastically different environment compared to our planet. It has a thick atmosphere consisting primarily of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, and a surface pressure about 92 times that of Earth's. This dense atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, resulting in scorching surface temperatures averaging around 475 degrees Celsius, making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus's surface is characterized by vast plains, highland regions, and thousands of volcanic features, indicating a history of volcanic activity. Despite its inhospitable surface conditions, Venus has long fascinated scientists due to its similarities to Earth and the potential insights it offers into planetary climate evolution. Earth? Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known planet to support life. It has a diverse range of ecosystems, including oceans, forests, deserts, and polar regions, all sustained by its atmosphere, which is predominantly composed of nitrogen and oxygen. Earth's atmosphere also serves as a protective shield, filtering out harmful radiation from the Sun and regulating the planet's temperature. With its moderate climate and abundant water, Earth provides the ideal conditions for a wide variety of life forms to thrive. Its surface features include continents, mountains, valleys, and oceans, making it a dynamic and geologically active world. Earth's dynamic processes, including plate tectonics, erosion, and weathering, have shaped its surface over billions of years, creating a rich tapestry of landscapes and habitats. Mars. Mars, often called the Red Planet due to its rusty reddish appearance, is the fourth planet from the Sun. It has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. Mars is known for its diverse surface features, including towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and vast plains. The planet's surface is heavily cratered, indicating a history of impacts from asteroids and comets. Mars also boasts the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris. One of the most significant discoveries on Mars is evidence of ancient riverbeds, lake basins, and groundwater, suggesting that liquid water once flowed on its surface billions of years ago. Mars continues to captivate scientists and space exploration enthusiasts as a potential destination for future human missions and the search for signs of past or present life. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter more than 11 times that of Earth. It is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a small rocky core at its center. Jupiter's most prominent feature is its dynamic atmosphere, characterized by colorful bands of clouds and swirling storms. The planet's most famous storm, the Great Red Spot, is a massive anticyclonic storm that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter also has a strong magnetic field and a vast system of rings, although not as prominent as Saturn's. Jupiter has a diverse collection of moons, with over 80 identified to date. The four largest moons, known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610 and are among the most geologically active bodies in the solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system and is best known for its stunning ring system, which consists of icy particles ranging in size from dust grains to boulders. The rings are made up of countless individual ringlets, and their origin and evolution are still subjects of scientific study. Saturn's atmosphere is similar in composition to Jupiter's, primarily consisting of hydrogen and helium, with traces of other gases. Like Jupiter, Saturn has a banded appearance, although its bands are less distinct. The planet's most notable feature is its hexagonal polar storm, a persistent hexagonal-shaped jet stream at its north pole. Saturn has over 80 moons, with its largest moon, Titan, being larger than the planet Mercury. Titan is of particular interest to scientists due to its dense atmosphere and surface conditions that resemble those of early Earth, raising the possibility of prebiotic chemistry and the potential for life. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is classified as an ice giant along with Neptune. It has a pale blue-green color due to trace amounts of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue and green light. Uranus is unique among the planets in that it rotates on its side, with its axis of rotation tilted nearly parallel to its orbital plane. This unusual orientation gives Uranus extreme seasonal variations, with each pole experiencing 42 years of continuous daylight, followed by 42 years of darkness during its 84-year orbit around the Sun. Uranus has a ring system, although it is much fainter and less complex than Saturn's rings. The planet also has a collection of moons, with its 5 largest moons being Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun and is the 4th largest planet by diameter. Like Uranus, Neptune is classified as an ice giant and has a bluish coloration due to methane in its atmosphere. It has a dynamic atmosphere with high-speed winds and dark storms, including the Great Dark Spot, a large, dark, oval-shaped storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane, with traces of other gases. Neptune has a faint ring system and a diverse array of moons, including Triton, which is the largest moon and orbits in a retrograde direction, opposite to the planet's rotation. Triton is of particular interest due to its geologically active surface and potential for cryovolcanism, which could provide insights into the outer solar system's icy worlds.